Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the height of a text box in Canva. So this is the text box, right? This is the text that says group project. So let's say I want to change the height of this text box over here. You can simply tap in the text box first, and from the corner, any corner you'd like, simply expand it like this. And as you can see, it has been changed. The height has been increased. It's become a little bit larger. So yeah, you can customize it according to your preference. You want to make it smaller or like a bigger height. So yeah, this is how you change your height in Canva. It's quite simple. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.